Welcome back to Whimsy Trick. Today we're diving into the world of frugal living and exploring how we can make the most of everything by embracing a frugal mindset. Join me as we uncover practical tips and strategies to live a fulfilling life while being mindful of our spending. Let's get started. The frugal mindset. To truly make the most of everything, we first need to adopt a frugal mindset. It's about shifting our perspective and questioning our wants versus our needs. By prioritizing what truly matters and finding joy in simplicity, we can make conscious choices that align with our values and goals. Budgeting and smart spending. One of the key components of frugal living is budgeting. By creating a budget and tracking our expenses, we gain a clear understanding of where our money is going. We can then identify areas where we can cut back or find more affordable alternatives without sacrificing quality. Embracing DIY culture. Frugal living encourages us to embrace the do-it-yourself (DIY) culture. From repairing clothes and household items to growing our own food and making our own cleaning products, projects not only save money but also empower us with new skills and a sense of accomplishment. Reducing waste and repurposing. Another important aspect of frugal living is reducing waste. By practicing the 3 R's: reduce, reuse, and recycle, we can minimize our environmental footprint and save money. Repurposing items, such as turning old furniture into something new or using food scraps for compost, allows us to maximize their potential. Thrifty shopping. Frugal living doesn't mean deprivation, it means being smart about our purchases. Thrifty shopping involves seeking out sales, using coupons, and shopping at thrift stores or online marketplaces for second-hand items. This way, we can find great deals and save money while still getting what we need. Meal planning and cooking at home. One area where we can make a significant impact on our finances is by meal planning and cooking at home. By planning our meals in advance, we can avoid unnecessary food waste and save money on eating out. Cooking at home allows us to control ingredients, portion sizes, and ultimately nourish ourselves on a budget. Making the most of free and low-cost activities. Frugal living doesn't mean sacrificing fun and enjoyment. There are plenty of free and low-cost activities available to us. From exploring local parks and hiking trails to attending community events and taking advantage of library resources, we can have a fulfilling and enjoyable life without breaking the bank. Embracing minimalism. Living a frugal lifestyle often goes hand in hand with embracing minimalism. By decluttering our living spaces and simplifying our possessions, we create a sense of calm and focus on what truly matters. Minimalism helps us appreciate the things we have and avoid unnecessary purchases. Community and sharing economy. Frugal living also encourages us to build strong connections within our community and embrace the sharing economy. By sharing resources, carpooling, or participating in community gardens, we can save money, reduce waste, and foster a sense of belonging. Reflecting on the benefits. As we wrap up today's discussion, let's reflect on the benefits of living frugally. By adopting a frugal mindset, budgeting, embracing DIY culture, reducing waste, thrifty shopping, meal planning and cooking at home, making the most of free and low-cost activities, embracing minimalism, and participating in the sharing economy, we can experience numerous benefits. Living frugally allows us to have greater financial freedom and flexibility. By being mindful of our spending and making conscious choices, we can save money for the things that truly matter to us, such as travel, education, or early retirement. Absolutely. Living frugally also helps us reduce financial stress and debt. By avoiding unnecessary purchases and focusing on needs rather than wants, we can avoid accumulating debt and live within our means. That's right, frugal living also encourages us to prioritize experiences over material possessions. By embracing minimalism and decluttering our lives, we can focus on creating memories and building meaningful relationships rather than accumulating more stuff. And let's not forget the environmental benefits. Frugal living promotes sustainable and eco-friendly practices. By reducing waste, reusing items, and embracing the sharing economy, we can minimize our impact on the planet and contribute to a more sustainable future. Absolutely. Frugal living also encourages us to be more resourceful and creative. By finding alternative solutions and repurposing items, we can tap into our creativity and develop new skills. This not only saves money but also boosts our self-confidence and sense of accomplishment. Frugal living also fosters a sense of gratitude and contentment. By appreciating the things we have and finding joy in simplicity, we cultivate a mindset of gratitude and contentment, which leads to greater overall well-being. Well said. Frugal living is not about deprivation or sacrificing happiness. It's about making intentional choices that align with our values and goals. By living frugally, we can make the most of everything and create a fulfilling life that is not defined by material possessions. Thank you all for joining us today as we explored how to make the most of everything through frugal living. By adopting a frugal mindset, budgeting, embracing DIY culture, reducing waste, thrifty shopping, meal planning, and embracing minimalism and the sharing economy, we can experience financial freedom, reduce stress, live sustainably, and find joy in simplicity. Remember, it's all about being mindful of our choices and prioritizing what truly matters. Until next time, keep living frugally and making the most of everything.